Assalamu alaikum. Today we just talk about sorting method with list. Okay, so I just write here sort with list. Okay, list. So how we sort our list values with the help of this sort method. Okay, I'm just write here main function, and here I just write list of integer numbers. Okay, so here I write 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, 7, 8. I just want to write 9 and 8. Okay, so you can see it's just a random numbers. Okay, if you want to sort these numbers, this is a very useful method in real projects also. So now I just want to show you that how it work. Okay, so I just write here numbers dot sort. Okay, so this sort methods by default it converts to ascending order. Here you can see the default list implementation use comparable dot compare if compare is omitted. Okay, so if this compare is omitted, if I forgot this, okay, so it will be converted to uh, ascending order if I front it. Okay, front here numbers. Okay, so now I want to show you. Here you can see this is converted to a ascending order. Okay, if you want to uh, convert this list to descending order, so for this you can use to force a function that use this sort method, and here you can see this is a this is return a void. Okay, so it also take optional parameter for comparison. So here you can see the function is a return integer and it take a two parameters. Okay, so for one for you can for one is you can see here is a element that compared to another. So if I write here, if I write here this a and b, okay, I just pass these parameters. So this is take one element and two element, and here you can see a b. Okay, so it will be compare. Okay, so a dot compare to b. Okay, so it what will be now this doing. Okay, so this will returns ascending. Okay, this will be return ascending. Okay, now we want to uh, descending order. Okay, so now I write just here b and here a. Now it convert to descending order. Okay, so here you can see 987 it converted. Okay, so also you can use dot sort dot reversed. Okay, so it will also converted. Okay, sort dot reversed. If I write here sort and then I just write here uh, dot reversed also. Okay, and dot to list. Okay, so here you can also convert these this to descending order by reversed. Okay, so here you can see this is also converted to uh, descending order. Okay, so this sorting is a very important in real projects. Okay, so I think for now it's enough, and I hope you will be understand this concept. Okay, so for now it's enough, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.